So once again, we'll do it classically video this time. There you have the big tent with the scene where the events are happening. Guys are standing on the field, having some coffee, having a bit of talk. Now let's go to the other side. The guys from DD Hammocks. Don't know if you see. You see? Yeah. This is just a part of the entire camp. Look, it's not even like fucking England, it's sun.